Africa has faced centuries of struggle, from colonialism to economic dependence, but today, a new spirit is rising. From the legacy of Thomas Sankara to the bold leadership of Ibrahim Traoré, Africans are asking one question: can we build a future of true independence? Thomas Sankara, known as Africa's Che Guevara, ruled Burkina Faso from 1983 to 1987. He rejected corruption, refused luxury, and lived like the people he served. Sankara believed in self-reliance, telling Africans, "He who feeds you controls you." He pushed for food security, women's empowerment, and freedom from foreign debt. Though his life was cut short, his message continues to echo across Africa. Today, Captain Ibrahim Traoré has emerged as a symbol of courage. At just 34 years old, he became the youngest leader in the world. Like Sankara, he rejects foreign interference and calls for African unity. He often speaks directly to young people, reminding them that Africa's future depends on their courage, their work, and their hope. His leadership in Burkina Faso has inspired youth across the continent. Across Africa, young people are demanding change. From Nigeria to Mali, from Ghana to South Africa, they are saying no to corruption, no to dependence, and yes to a new future. Technology, education, and awareness have given African youth a louder voice than ever before. This is more than politics. It is a revolution of hope. Africa is rich in resources, culture, and human talent, but to rise, unity is key. Sankara taught us that Africa must stand together, and Traoré reminds us that foreign powers cannot dictate our destiny. If young Africans embrace this vision, the dream of a strong, independent Africa can become reality. Africa will rise, but only if we rise together. Do you believe Africa's future is in the hands of its youth? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with others who believe in Africa's hope.